Add Listerine directly into a pack of baby wipes right now, and I promise you, you will never look at your cleaning routine the same way again. But first, let me make this very clear. This is a cleaning hack only. It is not for skin or personal use and should always be handled safely. Now let's begin. Take a standard pack of wipes. You don't need anything expensive or branded. Even a basic low-cost pack works perfectly. Open the seal carefully, and here comes the transformation step. Pour a generous amount of Listerine directly into the wipes pack. Now, why Listerine? Listerine is not just a mouth. Rinse, it contains strong antibacterial and antiseptic agents. These ingredients help kill germs, reduce bacteria, and provide deep cleaning power on surfaces. When you soak wipes with it, you are basically upgrading ordinary wipes into high-performance disinfecting wipes. Close the pack tightly and shake it well, so every wipe absorbs the solution evenly. Now each wipe is fully activated with cleaning power. At this point, instead of carrying multiple cleaning sprays and cloths, you now have a portable all-in-one cleaning solution. Just pull out one wipe and use it instantly. You can use it on kitchen countertops, dining tables, bathroom surfaces, door handles, light switches, even small outdoor surfaces like car dashboards. Every wipe helps remove dirt, grease, and bacteria while leaving a fresh, clean smell. Now let's go one level deeper. Here is the bonus cleaning solution. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 ounces of Listerine. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt plays a powerful role in cleaning. It helps break down grime, loosens dirt particles, and enhances the disinfecting effect of the solution. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. It removes bad smells, lifts stains, and boosts the overall cleaning strength. When mixed, you may notice a slight foam. That means the reaction is working. Now add 1 cup of room temperature water. This balances the mixture, making it safe and easy to spread while still keeping its cleaning power strong. Mix everything slowly until it becomes smooth and uniform. Now pour this mixture into a reusable spray or dish soap bottle. Shake it well. And now you have a professional-grade multi-purpose cleaner ready for use. You can use it for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Indoors, kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, sink areas, stubborn grease spots. Outdoors, car cleaning, balcony areas, plastic furniture, light outdoor stains. What makes this mixture powerful is its combination. Listerine kills germs and bacteria. Salt enhances cleaning and removes dirt. Baking soda eliminates odors and stains. Water balances the formula for safe use. Together they create a strong, but simple cleaning system that replaces multiple store-bought products. It cuts through grease, removes grime, and leaves a long-lasting fresh shine on almost any surface. When I first tested this, I honestly didn't expect much. But the result was surprisingly effective. Cleaner surfaces, fresher smell, and less effort overall. Try it yourself, and you'll understand why people are calling this a game-changing cleaning hack.